Happy Wednesday, everyone. I'm over in Nocatee in 20 Mile. And look at this beautiful, I'm going to call this, what do we call this, Mr. Reed? We're going to call this a giant spa.
It's called, yes, it's a cocktail pool.
It's a cocktail pool. Cocktail martini pool. But yes, we love the stacked stone, the 3 water features. We got 3 lights. I'm sure at night it looks really nice, don't it? And we had actually taken out a portion of the screen, matched the Sierra Mega Pavers, kind of complemented the kitchen that was already here to go with the martini cocktail pool. Notice the shell coping. Stays cool because you darn sure get some sun over here. I got the sun looking at me right there. Got a nice expanded view screen too. But yeah, this was a fun little project. I love the seating goes all the way around. Got massaging jets, got a triple, got a quad, got a single, and a couple of more splashed around. I think this really turned out to be a beautiful job. So what do you think? It's a pretty good job?
Absolutely loving it. Yeah, you guys did a great job. We're so happy with how you fit this into what we already had in the backyard, and you designed it to complement, what we already had. So
nice.
It looks like it's been here all the time. It's just absolutely beautiful.
And you enjoyed the whole process?
Absolutely. Yep.
Thank you. Thank you for your business. Big job.
Yep. Thank you, Shane.
Thank you. And check his wife out. His wife's an artist. I tell you what, I'm going to try to talk her in doing one of these at the Tiki Bar at the model home. Look at that. I think y'all visited all of these places and lived here, right?
Oh, yep, absolutely.
Look at that. And they got more in the garage. So that's beautiful. Got to have our little hook game. What do you call this thing?
I have no idea.
I had one, but my kids broke it.
Game. That's all I know.
Yep. Aqua Blue mini pebble. Just like at the model. Well, y'all out there, have a blessed day. Thank you again, Mr. Reed. And guess what? Stay tuned for more to come. Y'all have a great one. See ya.
Nice.